At Chicco, sustainable parenting means a commitment to act responsibly, respecting people and the environment, with an outlook to future generations. Part of our commitment to sustainable parenting includes new textile innovations, creating products that are clear of unnecessary chemicals, comfortable in use, and easy to clean. Like Zip, fabrics that remove easily for easy cleaning. Parenthood can be a messy job, so keeping your child's gear clean should be easy. Seat pads and covers. Zip fabrics offer wash-and-go convenience with hassle-free removal. They are machine washable and zip back on as easily as they came off. Zip means on-the-go features too. Zip to open panels for added ventilation, or zip to extend panels for added coverage. Zip adds style, but is really about functionality to help sustain you by making parenting just a little less stressful. The safety you expect from Chicco, with the added convenience of zippable, washable fabrics. Innovative textile solutions. Zip, a sustainable parenting innovation, only from Chicco.